Good morning students. Now it's time for your science class and today we'll be starting chapter 2 parts of plant. Plants have different parts. Each part has some important functions. Root and shoot. A plant has two main parts, the root system and the shoot system. So what is root? Root is generally grows below the ground. The important functions of root are they keep the plant anchored or fixed to the soil. See, this is the root and they fix the plant tight to the soil. They help the plant to absorb water when we when we give water to the soil. They absorb water in the nutrients present in the soil and the plant needs this to grow and make its own food. Plants can either have taproot system or a fibrous root system. So there are two types of root system, taproot system or fibrous root system. No more. Aerial roots are thin roots that hang from the big trees. Look at the picture. These are the aerial roots that hang from the big trees. In some trees, the aerial roots are also referred to as prop roots as they support the tree. Example, those of the banyan tree. So if you look at the banyan tree, so you will see the thin roots that come out of the trees and they just go below the ground, just they support the tree. That is called the top roots. Example, banyan tree. A taproot is a large, thick, this is taproot, and that grows straight down from a plant in order to collect water and minerals from deep in the soil. It grows deep into the soil to collect water and minerals. It has small roots branching out of it. Examples of plants with taproot are radish plant, carrot, mustard and bean. So what are the examples of taproot, radish, carrot and mustard and bean? Now look at the fibrous root system. This is the picture of the fibrous root system. It is composed of a bunch of small branching roots that go outward from the plant. Look at the picture outward from the plant. They do not go deep. They are not. Look at the picture. They are not deep into the soil. Grass. Example are grass, rice, wheat and onion. In some plants, roots have another functions. They store food. Vegetables such as beetroot, carrot, radish and turnip are actually the roots of the plants. A question might come that give an example of the roots of plants that we eat. So beetroot, carrot, radish, turnip and they are the roots of the plants which we eat. Now stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot system and grows above the ground. Now look at this picture. This is the root part and this is the stem that grows above the ground. The other basic parts of a plant, namely leaves, flowers, fruits, grow on the stem. Important functions of stem are: it provides support for the plant and keeps it right. It helps the plants to keep it upright. It allows the leaves to reach sunlight that they need to produce food. So stem, it helps the plants to get their sunlight so that it can prepare their food. It carries water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plants. Now stems of some plants that store food and they are eaten as vegetables, they are potato, ginger and sugarcane. Now stems, they can be soft or hard, weak or strong. Now look at trees such as mango and coconut. They have thick and hard stem known as trunk. So what are trees? And give an example. Trees, they have thick hard stem. They are known as trunk. And examples are mango and coconut. What are shrubs? Shrubs are usually short woody stems with several stems growing near the ground. Look at this picture. They are growing near the ground. Rose and bougainvillea are the shrubs. Now what are climbers? Climbers are plants with weak stem that need support to grow upright. Look at this money plant. They need support to grow upright. For example, money plant and grapevine. Pumpkin and watermelon plants have very weak and soft stems. These plants creep ground, means they grow with the help of the ground, along the ground as they grow and are called creepers. Example, pumpkin plant and watermelon plant. Now come to the leaf. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Green leaves are the food making factory of a plant. And the functions of leaf are, green leaves, they contain chlorophyll, a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps the plants to prepare their food. Green leaves contain chlorophyll, which helps to absorb light. Leaves are the site of the food making process called photosynthesis, which uses light, water and air to make food. Now see, what is chlorophyll is a green pigment that is present in the leaves that helps to prepare the food with the and this food making process is known as photosynthesis. While preparing food, they need light, water and air. Leaves give out oxygen, a gas which is essential for all living things. Now leaves of some plants, they store food, like stems of plants, some store food. Then roots of some plants, they store food that we eat. Now leaves of also some plants, they store food, like cabbage, spinach and lettuce, the green leafy vegetables that we eat. Now come, flowers, fruits and seeds. Flowers are the most beautiful parts of a plant. We like when we see beautiful flowers. Some flowers have a nice smell too. Flowers also help the plant to reproduce. Some flowers, they store food, like broccoli and cauliflower are some flowers that we eat. Most flowers become fruits that have seeds within them. So the flowers how they become fruits, usually the flowers that have seeds within them, they slowly they become fruits. A fruit may have few or many seeds. For example, mango has one seed, apple has few seeds, while watermelon has many seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. When we sow the seeds of these different plants into the soil, so with the help of and giving good minerals and nutrients, we can get a new plant out of the seeds which we sow. Seed to new plant. The seed of a plant, when buried in the soil and given proper amount of water, air and sunlight and nutrients, grows into a new plant. This process is known as germination. So any plant, any seed which we sow into the ground, into the soil, and give a accurate amount of water, sunlight, air, nutrients, they grow into new plant, and this process is known as germination. Now see, seed, it is sowed, seed coat, roots, seed coat, then the leaves comes out, it gets proper water, air and sunlight, and then it grows into a new plant. So we have finished this our second chapter. In our next class, I will be giving you the worksheet related to this chapter, and in this video, along with this video, I have given you the question answer of chapter 1, living and non-living. Thank you.